Good morning, students. So today I'm discussing about for loop. So before starting, I want to discuss something with you, which is n number of times and up to n. This is two type, n times or up to n. Now first I'm discussing this one. So suppose you start printing the values 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, sorry, 1, 3, 5, 7 up to n, up to n. Okay, this is one thing. Same number 1, 3, 5, 7 n times. Same question, the different thing is this one. This one. One is up to n, other one is n times. Okay. So suppose I'm taking the value of n is equal to 5. What is the difference if I am giving 1 and 2? So if n is equal to 5, then what is the series of 1? 1, 3, 5. And second one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the difference between up to n and n times. N time means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you print the values. And up to n means up to value of n you will print. These are two different things. When you are writing any pattern, so make sure you look these two things first. Up to or n times. Okay, or n number of times. Right? Now I'm start writing the program. Okay, so my first program is printing 5, 10, 15, 20. Suppose I'm doing the n times. N times. Okay. Now class, suppose value print single word, void, suppose display. I'm not giving any parameter, because if I provide any parameter over here, that means those who running the program, they are unable to understand what is the meaning of int. Suppose those who don't know about the programming. Okay, so if I'm telling int n, how they know what do you mean by int? How they know what do you mean by double? So we are not printing any parameter. If your question having a question, in your question there is written the method name and the parameter, then you use the parameter. Otherwise, try to use the scanner or the buffer reader to take to print the message and taking the input from the user. Okay, so I'm writing package import java dot util dot star. I'm doing a scanner package. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then I'm the message system dot out dot print enter how many number you want to print. Try to provide a appropriate message when you are writing any output. See, enter how many number you want to print. Okay, means suppose if I ask you, if you say 5 or 10 or 9, you're not saying your name. Those who doesn't know about any programming language, if I tell me how many times you want to do this work, so they will say 5 times or 7 times, whatever, they will say number, not saying their names. Okay, that's why the message is required very much. Then int n is equal to sc dot next int. After that, int I. Okay, then for I is equal to, see, you are printing the value inside this for loop, right? So before printing our values inside the for loop, provide a appropriate message. So system dot out dot print output, give a hyphen, this one I'm using the ln, because if I ln, then suppose this is not ln, means you get this message. Beside this message you can see a colon due to this one, and you put the value over here, suppose 5 times or 10 times. Okay, after this message, okay, the entire message, this entire message, you just get the colon. After that you will print the value over here due to this ln is not here. Okay, and you can see I'm giving the ln. So after taking the value, you can see here output hyphen, then you start printing from next line. So that's why ln required. Okay, then for I is equal to, the starting value is in your program is 5, so 5. Then see, I'm seeing n times means 1 2 3 4 5, means after that 25. So we are doing the calculation 5. So your value of this one is I less than is equal to 5 into n, because 5 into n means 25. So if I doing this program like this way, 4, then 8, then 12. So if I say 3 times, so 3 means 1 2 3. So 3 into 4, if you to calculate, you get 12. That's why 5 into n. If you directly write the n, means it will print one time, because 5 is starting value and 5 is ending value. Then I plus is equal to 5 you can write, or you can write here I is equal to I plus 5. Both meaning are same. Okay, then system dot out dot print value of I, and you just provide a blank space for this gap, then bracket close, semicolon, this for braces close, method braces close, and class close. Okay, this is the answer of entire program. I just freeze it for few things, some few minutes, so you can easily write from this my video. Okay, because description board is not possible to write these things, so you just write it from the video. I hope all of you are clearly understand about the meaning of n number of times and up to n, and how you write this program, how you get the value of n times. Up to n is very easy, because you are writing n over here and it's up, then it's up to n. But n times is very difficult to get this one. You write it down. And after this I'm giving the same program, another program and another program. Okay, you just pause it and write it. I'm just changing it. My next program is, second program is print 1 4, okay, 9 16, this way up to n times. See, n times 1 2 3 4 5, n times. right? Now import java dot util dot star class display void calculate scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print enter how many time you want to print. You can either define sentence, but the main thing is that you maintain the meaning. Okay. So now I'm writing the I in int word inside this for loop. Starting value is 1. See, the first to identify the how we get this value. This is the suppose 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. The power is fixed 2, but this line is changing. So we are doing the for loop with the help of this one. Okay. So 5 times means 5 square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence wise. So very easy. I less than is equal to n I plus plus. Then I'm taking a variable s is equal to I into I, and we print the value of s. So system dot out dot print s plus a blank space, this one. Now we are using s, but we need to define this. So int s. Okay. Then complete, close the method, and you close the class. This way we solve the entire program. I hope all of you understand how you do the calculation. You write it down from my video. Please like, subscribe my channel for more videos.